Hey everyone, this is the truth about world race packing. If you're a future racer and you are watching this, just turn it off now, because every packing video, every packing blog that you are going to read are going to contradict each other, and someone's going to say bring a tent, another person to say don't bring a tent. But if you are watching, this is what F Squad has learned about packing on the world race.
Don't bring a guitar if you're never gonna play it.
Bring a suitcase.
If you can, get a little keyboard for your phone or your iPad. Much easier than bringing a large computer. Put it in your backpack. You'll love it. You'll thank me later.
Okay, in order to get a small pack, I would encourage you to bring a lot of things that you have at home that you feel that other people around the world could definitely make use of. And as you go from country to country, give those items away, and then by the end of your 11 months, you will have a very light backpack that is super easy to travel with.
Basically, pack half of what you packed, take your bag after it's packed, and then cut it in half.
If you are packing for the world race, you are going to tell yourself that you need 100 things, and you're going to find out you need about 25 of them. So my biggest tip to you would be to really think, what do I use every single day? And if that isn't on that list of your everyday needs, leave it at home.
You can find Band-Aids everywhere in the world. You don't have to bring boxes with you.
There's really stuff all around the world. We're not the only ones using deodorant and shampoo and conditioner.
So if you're going on the world race and you are told to bring a backpack, like a huge day pack thing, I would recommend to look at your route and see if you're doing any kind of traveling, hiking in the Himalayas, because if you're not doing that route, bring a suitcase.
Tampons. Bring tampons.
Yeah, tampons, definitely bring those. They are not all around the world. We are the only ones that use them.
Bring less stuff, bring more money. You'll want to buy everything anyway.
It doesn't matter what you pack as long as there's food on the field. But if you're gonna pack pants, make sure that they are elastic, because you're gonna gain weight.
So debriefs are usually in major cities, so you can honestly get whatever you want in the cities. So don't overpack.
You don't need 8,000 things of medicine. You don't.
Yeah.
You don't need 8,000 things of doxycycline.
Mm-hmm.
Unless you're gonna sell it later.
Hello.
And you can find just about anything in country. You're probably gonna hear that, but it's true.
Except tampons.
Except tampons.
But they got pads.
Get a DP cup.
Bring a lab.
Depending on your route, if it is a hot route and not in Europe, I would recommend not bringing a sleeping bag. They are about this big, take up a lot of space, and they're quite unnecessary. What I do recommend, however, is using your trusty airline and stealing one of those for your international flights.
Lice treatment, obviously, because you might have it for a third of the race.
Let's talk about Chacos. For me personally, I've worn Chacos every single day of the race, and it is the only pair of shoes that I brought. But if you have never worn Chacos before and you are thinking, oh, they'll be perfect for the race, do not buy them. You will regret every single moment of it. You will most likely not wear them. We had people send them home because they didn't wear them before the race. So do not buy them.
A lot of people like to bring clothes that are like durable or like REI clothes, which is great, but my recommendation is to bring clothes that you really enjoy wearing.
So if you need an extra bag, don't worry. You can easily, I didn't know this, so I want to tell you guys this. You can unclip the top of your big backpack, and it unclips, and it's a purse. I've used this for 11 months. It's not very stylish, but it's very durable. This is all you need.
Okay, if you are a 1 on the Enneagram, I have the day pack for you. It is called the Cotopaxi Alpha. It is 35 liters and it has like these zip enclosures that make it look like a suitcase, but it's the most organized day pack that anyone has on the squad, and I love it.
Leave most of it at home.
Oh my gosh, that was like
No, seriously. Leave most of it at home. No, seriously. Leave most of it at home.
The motive of the year is abandonment.
So if you ignore all that packing advice, this is the one thing you should remember. When your backpack's too heavy to pick up, you just prop it up against something like this. You sit down, you put the straps on, use some momentum, And remember,